Oh, g'day guys. This is one of my jobs I've just got to do here. The lady has left on those remotes for her gate opening, and so I can get in and out and mow this place, which is actually right behind me. Let's go get the key, or the remote. Sure enough, just where she said she'd leave it. Okay, ready mate. Get in here. Remote. Hit the button. Oh, and here we have it. I'm in. Now just get to mow this place. Doesn't really need it much. What the hell? Still got to do it. Not even the big yard, but alright, mow time. Haha, you're doing it wrong. No safety gear, sneakers, no hat, no safety glasses. Going backwards and forwards on himself. Nice mower, if you can call it that. Anyway, I'll get on to working. Here we go, good old Honda. Turn it on, start first time. Oop, start second time. Start third time. There you go. Alright, I'll show you how easy it is. Get the mower off here. Now it's good, 4-stroke start. Anyway, it's a bit cold start, still beautiful, excellent. As easy as that, put back on. Just got to put a bit. Put this in here, starter, go on the side. Put some tape in it. Put a tape. Yeah, I think that's beauty. Alright, here comes the fun part. Now I've got to hit the remote on this, get to that gate before it closes on me, and get the remote back into the letterbox. And we are ghost station. Uh-oh. Running. Just in the nick of time. As you can see, we have a closed gate. Well, that's it for me. Got a closed gate going on here. Catch you guys later.